That fly has been annoying me for 2 days. Gotcha. Oh, it's lovely out there today. Lovely. Right, I'll just get my scruffs on. Just how I like it. Can't fit through that gap. I've got a swing under here. Oh. Through here and under there. Well, what I'm going to do today is get rid of all this lot, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to clad this garage with some nice timber. Just an idea I've had. I've still got to burn this, but like I say, it's a little bit windy today. It'll probably cause too much hassle with the smoke blowing everywhere. So let me crack on, get my tools out of the garage. The main objective today is to get that bed burnt. Anything else is a bonus. Right, I've put this little bit of an edging in. I'm going to dig this over, and I've got about 50 minutes left before I've got to go and have a shower and get ready to head to Morecambe. I think I'll just get that bed burnt, but it'll be a close call. I absolutely love bonfires. I love the smell of the smoke, the shape and the patterns of the flames, and I love how such a big mass can be reduced to almost nothing. Right, I've tidied this little area up, use a few flags. Right, we'll enjoy a ham, tomato and mustard sandwich and a chocolate protein pudding and my favourite cappuccino. Oh, it's not as good as durian though. Anyway, I've got about half an hour left before I've got to go in. I should get all the wood into the bin, and if it's in and safe, I can let it burn down and disappear. Be alright. Enjoy my sandwich, get that finished, get in, shower out for a few beers. It looks like I'm going to have to put my garden waste in Mrs. Hermanchinsky's bin. She doesn't mind. That'll save me having to have another bonfire. She owes me because I've just signed for an Amazon parcel for her. She's not in, she's out again, gallivanting. Where she goes, who knows, but she's out and about. Look at his t-shirt. It's smart, cost him 27 quid. They sat nursing this car's brake for about 10 minutes. I thought, is he ever going to get one in? What? What would you say? It's alright. Oh. Ollie? Yeah? Stink of smoke. I've had a shower. It was alright in there, wasn't it? Pretty busy.
Yeah, even Storm and Norman was in.
I've never seen him for years.
Oh, that reminds me, your neighbour, what's her name, Mrs.
Hermanchinsky?
Ah, yeah, I seen it the other day.
Where?
She was,
Wait. It was alright in there, wasn't it? Pretty busy.
Yeah, even Storm and Norman was in.
I've not seen him for years.
Yeah, right. Oh, that reminds me, your next door neighbour.
Mrs. Hermanchinsky?
Yeah, she, I saw her the other day.
Where?
She was roller skating down, That reminds me, I saw your next door neighbour.
Oh, Mrs. Hermanchinsky?
Yeah, I seen her the other day. She was roller skating.
Where?
Down Promenade.
I'll give her that. She gets about.